In number 3, we're asked to find whether the given numbers are zeros of the polynomial. That means exactly the same thing as whether the given number is a root. So we're doing the same thing that we did in number 1. We can plug in the number that they have given us. If we get 0, then it is a 0. If we don't, then it's not a 0 of the polynomial. So let's find p of -4 by plugging -4 into the function wherever we see x. So -4 cubed is -64. -4 squared is 16 times 4 is 64. This is 16. So this does give us 0. So -4 is a 0 of the polynomial. Let's find p of 4i. 4i cubed. So we're plugging 4i into the function wherever we see x. 4 cubed is 64. I cubed, remember here's a list. We're going to use this. So I cubed is -I. Let's write this. 4 squared is 16, and I squared is -1. So this is -16. This is -16i minus 16. So we get -64i minus 64 minus 16i minus 16. This is not equal to 0. So 4i is not a solution. It's not a 0 of the polynomial. Let's verify with the calculator. So this time we're going to put x cubed plus 4x squared. I'm going to change this to a plus. And I'm going to insert so that I could type the 4. I press second, delete, and that's insert, the yellow. And then minus 4x, I'm deleting this. I'm just using the previous entry that I had done, what we did for number 1. And then minus 16. Or you could just delete everything, clear everything, and retype. I press graph. That's a cubic function, the graph. And I was checking to see if -4 is one of the zeros. If you press trace and put -4 for x, the y value is 0. Okay. Notice these are two of our other x-intercepts, our other zeros, right here and right here. But we're not going to ask to find those right now. So then, since these two numbers are also real, we can't have an imaginary number as one of our zeros because it's a cubic and we have 3 real zeros. So those are our only zeros. You can't have 3 real zeros and 1 imaginary when you have a cubic function. You can only have 3 solutions when you include your imaginary solutions as well. Or we could go here and put 4i, store that into x. So that's 4i, press store that into x. So x has 4i now. I'm going to bring back the entries that I had done before by pressing second enter. That brings back our previous entries. So here is x cubed, and then I'm going to change this to plus, insert. So that's 4x squared, and then minus 4x minus 16. Hit enter, and we get -80 minus 8i. And that is what this would be when you combine like terms. You get negative 80i, that's negative 64i minus 16i, and then minus 80, that's negative 64 minus 16, and that's not equal to 0.